Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to embed an Excel file in a Word document so that you can easily share data and spreadsheets within your reports or projects. So let's get started. First, open your Word document and go to the place where you want to insert your Excel file. Next, click on the Insert tab at the top of Word. Now in the text group, click on Object. This will open a dialog box with different options. In the dialog box, click on the Create from File tab, then click on Browse to select the Excel file you want to embed. Once you have found the file, click Insert and then check the box that says Display as Icon if you want the Excel file to appear as an icon in the Word document. If you leave it unchecked, it will show a preview of the spreadsheet. After that, click OK and your Excel file will be embedded directly in your Word document. Now, if you need to open Excel file later, just double click on the embedded object and it will open right within Word. One great thing about embedding the file is that the Excel file stays fully editable. You can make changes to it directly from within Word without opening Excel separately. And that's it. You have successfully embedded an Excel file into your Word document. Thanks for watching this video. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel for more amazing tips and guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.